Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivo Y83 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change wallpaper automatically in Vivo Y83 lock screen. First, go to the settings and click on lock screen, home screen and wallpaper, and click on lock screen poster and make sure that this button is on. Otherwise you have to turn it on. Now click on theme. The wallpaper will be changing based on theme, so select any theme that you want. And after changing theme, you have to check whether it's working or not. For that, just slide to the next wallpaper and click on three buttons and click this lock button and click again to open it. Yes, if you put lock now, the wallpaper will be changing every time. See the demo. Once again I am putting lock and the wallpaper will be changing. Yes, when pressing power button, that is lock screen button, the wallpaper is changing every time. In this way you can change your wallpaper automatically in Vivo Y83 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.